Good morning, everyone. This is Breast Cancer Awareness. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Debbie Bubbles, Creations by Simone, Tablescapes by Candy, and their guest host is Jezza Green. Thank you for joining me. Rest in peace, beautiful angel. Good morning, everyone. Today's video is on breast cancer awareness. Breast cancer awareness. I'm gonna do a very short video for you this morning, and I am in my office. I have it decorated in pink for breast cancer awareness for October. And I'm gonna talk to you a little bit this morning about how breast cancer has affected my family. Cancer, period. Okay? So I'm gonna tell you a story about my beautiful niece, Cynthia and Mason. And this video is in memory of her. Cynthia was 51 when she passed away. This is very fresh, you all, so I'm gonna try to get through it. She passed away July the 25th, 2023 at 1:30 p.m. And this is my beautiful niece. And that's how breast cancer has affected my family. Cynthia was diagnosed a couple of weeks before her passing. Breast cancer is a silent killer, and if you don't catch it immediately, it can take your life. Cynthia had her mammograms. She did all of her checkups and everything. But sometimes it gets missed. She had a very fast growing cancer. I mean, went from a golf ball to a basketball in 2 weeks, and she was gone. It was quick, sudden, and we really had no time to prepare ourselves for it. We thought that everything was gonna be okay. So I asked you, please have your checkups. Have them checked. Check it double, I would say. In case something is missed, at least you would have checked twice, because there's nothing wrong with checking it twice. So, my sister, I lost her at 55 to cancer. It was lung cancer about 15 years ago. They both were very, very young ladies in the prime, I feel like, of their lives. And I'm asking you to ask your family to make sure they have their checkups, because I wish this on no one family. It is very hard, and it's something you constantly think of, and you go back and question, what did we miss? What did we miss? But God makes no mistakes, and our faith is very, very strong. So our faith will carry us through. But I want to thank you all for joining me this morning, honoring my beautiful niece, Cynthia and Mason. Again, I ask that you make sure you get yourself checked and make sure your family members are getting checked. Thank the Design family for coming along with me today on this breast cancer awareness video. If you're not a part of our family, I would ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell. And make sure you go over and check out all the creators who are participating in this breast cancer awareness collaboration. And it is the month of October. Be aware. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video. Thank you for watching, and please get your checkups.